In today's video, I'm going to teach you ElevenLabs fix, unusual activity detected, full solution. If you're seeing the unusual activity detected message when you try to use the ElevenLabs app, don't worry. This usually happens when the app's saved data or session gets out of sync, often after an update, a network hiccup, or switching accounts. The most reliable way to clear that state is to reset the app's stored data and then sign in again. I'll walk you through a clean, safe reset that doesn't affect your actual ElevenLabs account or any content stored in the cloud. First, locate the ElevenLabs app on your device. You can scroll through your home screens or open your app drawer and use the search bar to find it quickly. Once you see the app icon, press and hold it. After a moment, a small menu should pop up. On most devices, you'll also see a little info symbol or an option to open the app's settings. Tap App Info. This opens the system page that shows everything about the app: permissions, notifications, battery, and most importantly for us, storage. This is where we can reset the local data that may be triggering the warning. Next, tap Storage and Cache. You'll see two options here: Clear Cache and Clear Storage. Cache is just temporary files, but the sign-in state and deeper app data live in storage. Because we want to fully refresh the session and remove any corrupted data or mismatched tokens, we're going to clear storage. Tap Clear Storage and confirm. This resets the app to its just installed state on your device. It will sign you out and remove locally saved preferences. Your cloud content remains tied to your account, so you won't lose it. If you had any offline items, be aware you may need to download them again after you sign back in. Now open the ElevenLabs app, log in with your usual method, and start using it again. Give the app a moment on first launch so it can rebuild its data and fetch fresh settings. If the message appeared because of a stale session or corrupted local file, it should be gone now, and you can resume your normal workflow. To recap quickly, find the app, press and hold the icon, open App Info, go into Storage and Cache, clear storage, then relaunch and sign in. This simple reset fixes the vast majority of unusual activity detected errors and gets you back up and running fast.